left a impact. Set me things so I'ma get the youth and them a pre. Say them that the thing shot. Enough man get the chance and lap spend it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Get Cute with Pinky. Guys, I've missed you so much. I know that I've been MIA for the last couple of weeks, but your girl been busy. And I've been so preoccupied with a lot of other stuff. You know what I'm saying? Busy. But guys, today I'm here. I'm back in full effect. I'm here with another video, another wig review. And this one is coming from Wequeen. This is a company that I found on Instagram. Well, they found me on Instagram. And today I will be reviewing one of their headband wigs. Yep. You know, so this is the packaging, and we're just gonna get straight into this video. This one just said affordable beginner friendly wigs, Wequeen, and this is what it looks like. So these are some headbands, and it comes in this cute little pouch. Quite a few too. It's like 6. 6 cute little headbands. So 6 different style? No, but 6 little cute little headbands. And here we have wig caps. And you guys know I like to use my wig caps whenever I'm putting on my wigs. This is just a cute little satin bag or a silk bag to store the unit in. And also you get a special gift card. I guess it's telling you how you can win some lashes and a flat iron. And also in the box it comes with a instruction card. I don't see anything on it that describes what the hair is, but yeah, this is what it comes in. And you know they always put them in these little mesh thingies. This is the unit right out of the box. Yes, I love the color. I chose this color because I feel like I was doing too much black units, so I just wanted to put a little color in it. And I like these colors. These are just natural human hair colors, like a little blondish or 27 or 30. I don't know the color, just bear with me. So yeah, this is the wave, and I believe this is a deep wave. And when I tell you the hair feels so good, it feels good. Like I'm loving the unit. Like, let's see if there's any shedding. Well, I'm getting a little bit of shedding, not too much, because as you guys know, it is curly hair, and I can't exaggerate enough or emphasize enough that curly hair, they do shed. So don't be oblivious to the fact that hair do shed. Guys, as you know, all of these headband wigs, they're coming with these velcro straps around it to secure the unit on your head. This unit, it comes also with 1, 2, 3, 4 clips to help to also secure the wig, and it comes with another little adjustable strap, which I truly appreciate, because this, I feel like more than anything else, this helps it to be more secure on your head than the velcro strap, and that's just my opinion. The unit is very nice. It's well constructed, very full, very full, and I love that about it. So now guys, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting on this wig on my head and style it and show you guys how I will rock it, and then I will come back and tell you guys how the hair is keeping up and how it reacts when I put water in there and everything else. So stay with me, y'all. Stay with moi. As I've exaggerated before, your friend is a little bald-headed scallywag, so you know I slicked down my little grown-up hair. And I love to wear my wig caps. It's just a personal preference for me. You guys don't have to do it, as I've said before, but I really like to. So yeah, and I'm gonna just go like this and hook it together. That's good enough for me. Alright ladies, so let's get into this unit. Let's get into the unit. So until you Yo, these butter earrings. Jesus Christ, the earring them heavy. Listen. Jesus. The wig go on nice. I got a wig snug. Guys, look. Ladies, this wig is so snug, like it's not going anywhere. This is the back. See how it fits good in the back? So, I really like that. And this is just the curl untouched. I mean, the color to me, color to me always age me, like give me 10 more years on my age. So I feel like I look a little bit more grown up in this unit, but I do love the level of maturity that it gives me. So yeah, it's definitely a keeper. I love this wig. You can always wear the unit as is, fluff it out and wear it like this. And that's if you like fluffy hair or big hair. But for me, I think I'm gonna wet it down just to see how it looks and how the curl come back. And then I'll just put it in some cute little styles with the headband so you guys can see how you rock it with the headbands also. Yeah, so let's just wet it down and brush it out just to see how it looks and how the curls revert back. So I have my handy dandy spray bottle. So this is what it looks like wet. I use this Carol Daughter hair milk, and this is for detangling and all of that good stuff. It helps to make your hair smell good and give it a little body volume. So this is good. I believe I got this at Marshall's for probably $9 or something like that. And it feels so soft. So this is what I just put through it just to keep the hair moist. You can also use mousse, which I'm going to use a little bit of to make sure my curls are intact. Yeah, so this is the hair wet down. And this is kind of giving me a wet look, a wet vibe. A little sexy, sultry vibes, you know. And guys, I would definitely tell you, you can wear this wig in water. Like, it is good if you're going to the beach or having a nice little pool day. Summertime is approaching at y'all summer. So guys, as you can see, this hair is giving me life. I'm completely like astonished by how this hair came out. Like, it's not giving me too much tangling. It is really smooth and soft. And guys, I love the color. Like, as you can see, it complements my skin so much and it fits snug. Like, it is very secure on my head. The hair doesn't have a foul smell, which I really appreciate. I'm getting a little bit of shedding, not too much, and as I said, it's curly hair, so it does shed. But I mean, this is quality hair and it has a lot of body to it, which I really love because I hate thin hair. So Wequeen, you definitely sold this one to me, and I really appreciate you guys giving me this bomb ass headband wig. I'm definitely gonna recommend it to all my friends. So y'all, yes, go copy yourself a headband wig. And this is like a bob, like a little bob. I don't know, it's giving me bob vibe, but I believe it's probably a 14-inch or 16-inch. I'm not quite sure. As I said, all the information on this unit will be down below in the description bar. And I do believe the color is 1B30, if I'm not mistaken. But so again, thank you Wequeen for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it, and I hope I'll be working with you guys in the near future again. So on that note, this concludes this video. And ladies and gents, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments down below. And always remember to hit the post notification bell at the top right hand of your screen. See you guys next time.